Welcome to Wingnut's workshop. The first project to start off the 2025 year is going to be replacing the wheels on our Samsonite Luggage. We purchased these in 2012, right before we took a cruise to Alaska, then train ride up to Denali and back. In 2014, we took them to Hawaii. They've been to Europe in 2015, been to the Holy Land in 2019, and just came back from Greece. We've replaced the wheels twice so far, and they keep replacing with the original Samsonite wheels. I'm going to replace them now with urethane wheels that hopefully will be for the last time. Let's get started. Before I start that, let me mention the orange tape that I have. Before we went to Alaska, somebody had mentioned that it would be a good idea to mark your luggage to make it easy to recognize. And I found a roll of orange duct tape, and all of our luggage became labeled. It is so easy seeing in the cruise ship of where our luggage is, on the boat cruise ship of seeing where they store them, and where the train, where everything is that we can see the luggage. When it comes off the airplane, baggage claim, it is so easy to find. So recommend identifying your luggage with that. And this is also how Wingnut's workshop became color orange and blue, was because we had the orange tape. Well, let's get started and see what we need to do. Before you start a project like this, be sure to check what size your wheels are. These are the original Samsonite wheels that have been replaced twice, and they just do not last when they go through traveling around the world and just traveling through airports. The rubber just keeps falling off. Be sure to check the size. I have 50 millimeter for the front and 60 millimeter for the rear. Here's what comes in the kits. The glove, handle for a hacksaw, 2 hacksaw blades, and interesting, the brand name is the same as the company that makes the wheels. We got 4 nice wheels in this kit, and all the hardware necessary, including the long threaded bolt that I need to for my double wheel installation. Now I got 3 gloves, plus 3 from the other set, so I've got 6 gloves. They're lightweight. Maybe I can do a song and dance number and use my gloves. And 1 on the floor, of course. 50 millimeter, 60 millimeter. They need a little oil, but let's get started. I'm going to use a little borrowed Chan oil to put a drop. The wheel kits are actually nice sets. They come with plenty of hardware, plenty of screws or bolts to put into the threaded studs. I have threaded studs in 20, 30, and 60 millimeters, and the 60 is what I need. They also include the 2 hacksaws, and it's interesting that Scout Crafter on his New Year's show discussed hacksaws. Mine that's on my to-do list to restore is a Miller's Falls And I'm currently running with a DeWalt 40-bit, 40 thread per inch. What I'm using, I think it's 40. And what I'm going to try is the 24 thread per inch that came with the set. And we'll see how it works. So let's get started. So looking at the wheels, there is a cap on one side and pinned over rivet on the other side. They say just cut between the wheel and the suitcase to take it off. I like to take these off just so that I have more space, so I'm not going to be cutting into the suitcase. So let's go and take these off. I'm just going to come in with a 1/4 inch bit. And it's spinning on the other side. There. Now I need to punch it out, so let me make an adjustment. These are my 1, 2, 3 blocks. That was relatively painless for the small wheels. Let's go and take the big wheels off. Just a little venting. This is the 3rd time I'm replacing the wheels on this luggage. These are the original Samsonite wheels. You can see the rubber, whatever, or plastic, whatever they call this thing. The way it fits into here, it just disintegrates and falls apart. These I don't think I'll have any problem with. These are comparable to rollerblade wheels, urethane from skateboard wheels, but these are 60 millimeter by, I think they're 18 or 24 millimeter wide. If Samsonite, they do replace these under warranty. The first time it was under warranty, then the second time it was about $20 a piece. So for $160, we had to replace 8 wheels on our luggage. Now for about $52, I've got the parts to replace them all myself, and this will probably be the last time. If Samsonite would put these on originally, they would never have a problem or never have a warranty claim of replacing wheels that are broken. But then again, the local luggage shops would not be able to charge $20 a piece to put these on and to make them money and keep themselves in business. So I'm trying to save myself. We're replacing these, and we plan on traveling a lot more, so we'll see how these work. I'm going to try the hacksaw that was included in the kit to take the first one off, and I'll see how it goes. I'm wearing a cut-proof, cut-resistant glove because I did catch myself a little bit on the first time. Okay, if anybody watched Scout Crafter's report, he did mention about having tension on a blade was good. I agree 100%. I know somebody's going to say, why don't I cut it on the other side like that? It's too far down, and I'll be cutting into the suitcase with this stroke. So I need to have it on the top side of the wheel, like this. By cutting off with the hacksaw, it's not clean to be able to feed the axle through. So I'm going to come back with a bit and clean them all out. The next step is to install the wheels. The nuts, the bolts that they do send, includes a little spot of thread lock, but I'm coming in and adding a little bit of the blue medium strength thread lock just to be safe, just to be secure. So here we go. So I've got the axle. I'm putting a washer for extra space. I'm not putting one on the back because the way I lock it down, when you tighten it down, it's going to lock this axle into place. So there's really no need to have a washer there. The other wheel, I'll put shiny side out. Then I'll put a washer there, shiny side out, and add this screw. They provide 2 Allen wrenches to be able to go and lock it. And there we go. Let's go to the rest. It helps if you put the right wheel on the right size wheel on the right axle. There we have, wheels have been replaced. Ready for the next adventure. And I'm thinking of putting these in a bag in the suitcase in case we're on a trip and need to tighten anything. I will have them with me. Thanks for visiting Wingnut's workshop. Have a blessed day. As I wrap up the project, I am putting together all the hardware that I've got and everything that's left over from buying 4 sets of wheels to be able to install on 2 suitcases. I've ended up with 4 hacksaw handles, 8 blades. I'm going to hold on to one. It's narrow, 1/4 inch. I don't know if it'll be helpful trying to get into space. It's not as useful as I'd like to, as I saw on while trying to use it. I'll refurbish the Miller Falls. That is a 40 thread blade, but it is very used, so it's going to be replaced. But now I've got a whole bunch of 1/4 inch washers, 1/4 inch spacers, and 32 threaded studs, and a bunch of Allen wrenches. So more hardware for Wingnut's workshop. Yay! Now we go and clean everything up and put it away and get ready for the next project. Have a nice day. It's sad that after a trip to Greece and a cruise around the Mediterranean with stops in Turkey and Greece, I have 2 wheels that appear not to be damaged. Everything else is falling apart or has fallen apart. So Samsonite, you need to pick up your game and consider the solid urethane wheels, and you will never have a problem.